What's up back guys and everyone? Today we are going to be playing Charlie the Steak. So I've been seeing this all around the internet and well, it come to my attention that I'm going to play Charlie the Steak. Also, I am back. Thank you guys for that much views on the Venom video I did of me reacting to the Venom movie trailer. And let's get to Charlie the Steak. So what is this on my screen? So let's play around with this. This ain't the only video I'm gonna upload tonight. Oh god, I need to upload another video I've been working on. Oh, what is this? Oh crap. Okay, so we cut him. All right. So what's the whole big deal about this? All right. What level are we on? Level. Switch level. Okay. So what? Oh. Okay. What level are we on? I don't care. Okay. So what's this? Okay. What's the hammer? Hey, yo. Okay. What's this? Oh, okay. Alright. Ooh there, buddy. Ooh there, buddy. Alright, let's check out the other levels. Ooh there, buddy. Ooh there, buddy. What's rare? Jesus Christ. Oh God. What's oh okay. Alright. What the hell? Alright.
Whoa!
Alright, buddy. Let's cook you up. Let's cook you up. Pause. What's that? Alright. Ooh, what's this?
Yeah!
Well, I don't want to eat a steak with teeth. Oh. Graphic. This is graphic. Alright. No wonder why there's hype about this. What's this? I'm hungry. Never mind. We're not gonna... What's this?
What?
YouTube, do not age restrict this. What the Okay. Yeah. Let's go to well done. Oh, okay. Alright. That's alright. What's the hot sauce do? Oh. Okay. Let's go to what's well done. That's medium. We're on well done. Medium. Rare. Okay. Alright, we're back at rare. I wanna try this. Alright. What's this? Wait, what's this again? Oh! That's ketchup. That's just ketchup, right? I think we're gonna end it off here, but let's do this. Alright, we're gonna end it off like this. Okay. Well, I'm gonna try medium this time.
Hey.
So we're medium. Y'all. Okay, what's this?
Whoa!
Okay. Ew. Okay.
Hey.
What When do I get to eat it?
Well,
Okay. What's this? Oh.
Hey.
Oh, hey. You want? Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, you what, Charlie? You what, Charlie? Charlie? Hey,
Hey.
Charlie. Yeah, you done? Alright, good. Alright, thank you guys for watching today's video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one, which I will. See you later, my Black Knight.